In this video, I'll guide you on how to add a family member to your Microsoft or Outlook account quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to Outlook website, then sign in your Microsoft account with your email and password. I'm already logged into my account, so now let's move to the next step. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from there, tap on My Microsoft Account to continue. It will redirect you to this page. Now just scroll down, find the Family option, and tap on it. Now tap on Add a Family Member. Now choose the role you want to assign to the member. If you're adding a child, select Member, and for a guardian or parent, choose Organizer. After select the role, tap on Next. Now enter the member's Microsoft email address, tap Next, and then complete the human verification to continue the process. Just type the text from the image to complete the verification. Now scroll down to the Pending Members section and tap on Accept Now. Now it will automatically sign you out, so you can sign in with the member's email account to accept the invitation. Tap on Accept Now to continue the process. Enter the email and password to log in. Once you're logged into the new member's email, it will redirect you to the family group page. Just tap Join Now to accept the invitation and become part of the family. Now you can manage your child's screen time and app usage. So that's how you add a member to your Microsoft account. If you want to learn how to leave from Family Group, comment below and I'll make a video on it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.